So, in this video, I'll basically explain to you how you can reapply for Displate. You need to first check if you're approved or not. Okay, come here at the top right and then click on Upload History. You'll be able to see your upload status and whether or not your posters or artwork have been approved. As you can see, this one is still awaiting validation, but if you don't see this right here, that means they rejected it. Okay, you have to wait for about 24 to 48 hours. And if it did get rejected, you just need to fix some things, okay? Make sure it's a proper size, 2900 by 4060 pixels, a good ratio, 1.4 to 1 ratio, right? And the work needs to be a good quality. You don't need any frames here. They don't want frames. For example, let me show you an example. This one has frames. They will reject this because they usually do their own framing, as well as an added service. Also, you need to go ahead and make sure that text and important content are at the correct distance from the edge, right? At least 200 pixels. This is an example. You want to leave some space. Don't put it completely at the edge. And also, you don't want to use filters that increase the quality of the image. Try to keep the original quality to be of a high quality, right? So it's really that easy and simple. And if you did get disapproved, you need to go ahead and upload again. So come here, click on upload artwork and fix those issues. You just go ahead and re-upload it again. Okay? Really that easy and simple.